Welcome to Being in Essence. Hi, friends. Today we will talk about a topic that transcends age, time, and the limitations we often impose on ourselves. The boundless nature of life and the endless opportunities it holds, no matter how many years we have behind us. As we journey through life, seeking success and fulfillment, it is crucial to remember that neither age nor time should define our potential or limit our aspirations. We live in a society that tends to measure life in numbers. We often hear things like, life ends at 25, or you need to have everything figured out by 30. But let me tell you something profound and liberating. Life doesn't end at 25. Life doesn't end at 27 or 30 or 35 or even 45. Life doesn't end at 65 or beyond. Life doesn't end until it truly ends. Think about that for a moment. It doesn't matter how old you are when you decide to get your high school diploma, go to college, or start a family. It doesn't matter when you choose to change careers, start a new hobby, run a marathon, or travel the world. Life is not dictated by numbers. Age is, but age is not all that you are. Consider the stories of people who achieved greatness later in life. Colonel Sanders founded KFC at the age of 65. Laura Ingalls Wilder published her first Little House book at 65. Stan Lee created his first superhero at 39, and Vera entered the fashion industry at 40. These individuals didn't let their age define them. Instead, they allowed their passion and perseverance to shape their lives and find success on their own terms. Success is often portrayed as a destination that must be reached by a certain age. Society tells us that we must have achieved specific milestones by specific points in our lives. But success is not a race against time. It is a personal journey that unfolds at its own pace, driven by our unique aspirations and efforts. Success is not confined to the early years of life. It can be pursued and achieved at any stage. We often hear phrases like over the hill or past your prime. But these are just societal constructs that try to confine the limitless potential within us. The truth is, every day you wake up is a new opportunity to start fresh, to chase a dream, to learn something new, and to create a life that excites you. Your life is not a countdown to the end. It is a journey filled with endless possibilities. You have time. You have time to rediscover yourself, to chase new dreams, to mend broken relationships, and to build new ones. You have time to find new passions, to laugh, to love, and to experience the world in all its beauty. You have time to start over, no matter how old you are. Imagine for a moment a person who decides to go back to school in their 40s. They walk into a classroom filled with younger faces, feeling out of place. But their determination to learn and grow outweighs their fear. They graduate not only with a degree, but with the fulfillment of a long-held dream. This is not a rare story. It's a testament to the fact that life can be restarted and reimagined at any age. Think about the person who decides to run their first marathon at 50. They train diligently, pushing through pain and doubt. Crossing that finish line is more than just completing a race. It's a powerful affirmation that they are capable of achieving anything they set their mind to, regardless of their age. Reflect on the stories of those who travel the world later in life, discovering new cultures and making memories that defy the boundaries of age. They demonstrate that adventure knows no age limit and that life's wonders are always there, waiting to be explored. Age is merely a number that signifies the passage of time, not the limits of your capabilities. Your spirit, your dreams, and your potential are ageless. Life doesn't come with an expiration date for dreams and aspirations. Whether you are 18 or 80, you have the power to shape your life in ways that bring you joy and fulfillment. So, what does this mean for you? It means that whatever goals or dreams you have, it's never too late to pursue them. If you want to go back to school, do it. If you want to start a new career, take that leap. If you've always dreamed of traveling, pack your bags. If you want to mend relationships, reach out. If you want to learn a new skill or hobby, start today. The only limitations are the ones you place on yourself. Let's take a moment to consider the impact of this mindset on our daily lives. How often do we tell ourselves that it's too late, that we missed our chance, that we are too old? Each time we do this, we close a door on possibility. But by shifting our perspective, we can open those doors again. We can see the world not in terms of missed opportunities, but in terms of endless potential. Think about the people around you, your friends, family, colleagues. Encourage them to break free from the constraints of age. Support them in their dreams, no matter how unconventional or untimely they may seem. Create a ripple effect of empowerment and inspiration. Together, we can build a culture that celebrates continuous growth and lifelong learning. Success is not a static achievement that is reached once and forever. It is a dynamic, evolving process that requires resilience, adaptability, and continuous effort. Each stage of life brings new opportunities for success. The successes you achieve in your 20s may be different from those in your 40s or 60s, but they are all valuable and significant. Consider how success can manifest in various forms throughout life. Early in life, success might look like academic achievements or starting a career. Later, it might involve raising a family, building meaningful relationships, or contributing to your community. In your later years, success could be about personal fulfillment, pursuing hobbies, traveling, or mentoring others. Each phase of life offers its own unique opportunities for success and fulfillment. Life doesn't end until it ends. And until that day comes, you have the power to create, to inspire, to love, and to live fully. Embrace each day as a new beginning, and let your age be a testament to your journey, not a barrier to your future. As you leave here today, I challenge you to reflect on your own life. What dreams have you put on hold? What passions have you buried under the weight of age-related doubts? It's time to dust them off and breathe new life into them. It's time to give yourself permission to start anew, regardless of the years you've accumulated. In conclusion, life is not made up by numbers. Age is. And your age is not all that you are. You've got time. Time to dream, time to achieve, time to love, and time to live. Life doesn't end at 25, 30, 45, or 65. Life doesn't end until it ends. Your success is not confined to a specific time frame. It is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to the fulfillment of your dreams. Thank you for your time, and you may embrace every moment of your journey with courage, passion, and an unwavering belief in your limitless potential. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.